Class stand. We are standing up. Greetings. Good day to all Sierra Leoneans. Whatever outside you there. This is the program called Love Salon and Left by that. Me when I talk to Unamina Adebayo. The people in the salon today, the 13th of July 2021. The people today, I got a very important message for Una again. And I can always tell Una say, if we sleep, we wake. Nothing not happen, let me tell Papa God thank you. The people today, I got two messages for Una again. Mupa make but and Tuna no send a story with the pool. We go continue for putting the story where people they want for you. And we go continue for say the things where people they want for now. And Tuna no say, now we get the man them. Inside the man them. Sierra Leoneans, today na a brand new day. Today, I want to talk something very important here. Where I want for make salon people and pay attention. Where I want for make salon people and focus. Where I want for make salon people they understand. They say, if you don't know how you come out, you got to believe and try to believe and know how you come out. Not look how they go. Open the eye and put the eye down so you go see what you the mass. Somebody go say what I buy one for say today. Today I got to take me time for talk them things here for make people sabi them and know them and understand them. We all see what is happening in South Africa today. We all understand what is going on in South Africa. And we all sabi what is doing in South Africa right now. And they can kill people and burn us, destroy the country right now. Because we Africa, we know the land. We Africa, we don't understand. We Africa, we still there into slavery. You like it or not. And also many Africans or many Sierra Leoneans not go want to make Adebayo talk this word. But I talk with authority. Today we all there into slavery. We country they suffer. We they perish. We continents they go down because of waiting lack of knowledge, lack of understanding. Now bongo fought now with the part. When you sabi book, you know book, you understand book. Now for use the people and dump them. When you sabi politics, you know about politics, you understand about politics. Now for use the people and dump them. Not for set the people free. When we go get people in Africa, where they stand for set the people and free, at the time then they get Boku enemy for kill them. Today we all see the Western world. Then they protect the heroes them. Even if the heroes they do bad, then they make sure for protect them. Where they not go arm them because they need them. There are certain people not deserve for kill. There are certain people not deserve for suffer. Just left them at the midst and get idea and knowledge from them. Learn from them. One thing when me learn where I know what sabi where I understand. Every day more man they learn. Every day correct you mistakes them day by day, minute by minute. What it happened with you when a bad things them last year? Correct them this year, let it be good. Let not be bad for bad. Today, why they take me time for talk this talk? I can always tell salon people them say there are so many ways how people in the come on social media. Some they come for your own personal interest. Some they come with genuine heart for faith for the people of Sierra Leone. Some they come for empathy. Some they come for propagate for a political party. Some they come for can excel on the political things, dreams where they want to go to. How many per within our social media? They fight the right and the justice cause for the people in Sierra Leone. Africa as a whole. The reason why I bring come and they start me message into what is happening in South Africa, because the president today what we get, it is spied, but not the spy good. It is copy, but not the study. Now it make it so stupid, it's so dumb, it's so big fool, in able for do nothing. Somebody gonna say, what thing are they by your mean? Yes. Sit down now you corner and listen what are they by the try for talk. Today we all see the blunder where South Africa don't blunder. Man like Jacob Zuma, yes, he do bad bad things them. Wait for make the justice get for call him. But man like Jacob Zuma, you know they try him inside South Africa. Man like Jacob Zuma, you know they try him inside South Africa. You know they jail him inside South Africa. If not for that, why is that they not jail them in Sierra Leone? There are certain dignitaries not jail them inside your home. We all see how the 18th Charles Taylor, Laurent Gbagbo, the issues them and case them. Where nobody not come out here want to go invent a fetch for them. Because then they jail you for what you do. They know they add anything by you. The justice system that then act is correct. Then they count all the proof them for you, all the evidence, then they count them for you before they make decision for jail you. But in South Africa, we all know how the judiciary them bend in Africa. We all know how the judiciary them motivated by political heads them, figures them. We all sabi that day, we all know that one day. Till they look at the killing where they happen in South Africa. Even though Zuma do bad, even though Zuma a minority, today people and grab shot today and they can burn or kill people. And look at the repercussions today in South Africa. When people and they share Kutubu in audio, when especially the idiots them where they APC, where big fool like them. In fact, I don't know how they go pull big fool. I don't talk this word times without number. I like Kutubu, it cost Mother Biyo Mama day and night, 21 days, 40 days, it cost Mother Biyo Mama. I like he say any bad thing against Mother Biyo government, we are not sharing with you. The reason, simple reason here. This man not a talk for Sierra Leone. This man not like anybody with the APC. This man, he get personal into entire extent is come up in 99 Bele. Honestly, the kind but that greed, the kind hatred, passion where Kutubu get for an Eskoroma. Some people just feel like Adeba are talking for an Eskoroma. No! But you see the bad that, you see the hate. If this man get the mindset and kill an Eskoroma, they can't kill Gaddafi. This man get the bold mind, what he want, how Mother Biyo for go arrest an Eskoroma, now he no more he want. Now he no more he need. If you see this man get the bold man, he don't campaign for this commission of inquiry. Kutubu don't campaign, he don't push, he don't talk, he don't do all things. Just for let them all do that and Eskoroma. But as he make one audio so against Mother Biyo, now they tell the idiots them. Now APC, the APC, they ready for share Kutubu in audio. I don't tell you about this part. This part, it don't all in sense not they again a big fool, na idiot. For like a whole party like it's like this, so you don't get picking. You don't get host. You don't take past 40 years America. Now in a robot party, swear. It are like a dog. Now this can in audio, we're not going to make any sense to Sierra Leoneans there. Then they share. I'm not there against for what they say, because me a democratic somebody. But for una where the APC, for let una get sense, let una learn. This kind of person, na idiot. Now na here, he said that for all an Eskroma like how Jacob Zuma. Now that yak de Mother Biyo yak to go put checkpoint before an Eskroma in house. But let me tell you now something today. Let me make this thing clear today. And Escoma don't get all kind name. Papina Star. Then now they use some folks them at the APC, they bring up audios them out and tell the people them say, the people are ready, the people are team up, how they want to invite an Escoma, na ACC. No, now we grow. We don't come up with any information and they down. Every year, you for take new steps. No hard feelings, but this is the fact that they tell you now. Una see how they ask me again for Cooper and Escoma in case. No, una know the reason. Me na I don't find out about that man. That man not a picky, not a bobo, na big man. And big man na big man. When I don't follow that man in connection, that man in power where he gets. Right? Salon people don't know the power where that man gets. Salon people don't understand the power where that man gets. Salon people don't know the influence where that man gets in the world. Salon people not sabi am. When I about the talk on the faces on there, I about one for ranch talk. Because me know personally, I don't check about the man, I don't know the man strength. I sabi, I understand the man strength. Now I know they ask me again. Every day me prayer, hey Papa God, go inside Mother Bio heart. Let's send people no more let them go and school man. Hey Papa God, just make no more let them go arrest and school man. That time the Lord has showed him they can't do. Now the 10 salon people go understand what they about the talk. So by that thing, hey, there, Kaola, hey, no. Una hear and school man they talk. Now big man. Man, no say no more. No more man other than this dunya. When a woman born them, when they will put hand pan in school, man, they not born that person in the head. And they talent anybody. No more man other than this world. When a woman born them, when they will put in hand pan in school, man. Now left them talk here. Lord left them talk here now. Now like today, when they say they want for happy, I don't talk. Then reverse. No. If you been careful and no say papa, bang, now you get better than Bona. Let them mistake with an school man. I don't want to say them. Let them invite her, no? You know, invite them, invite her. And the school man not to picking again. Now, big man, ain't no way they pay, no way they do. So I want people to relax their mind. I want people to not worry. Except people not able to do that man nothing. Now, it make the people where they inside the APC. Why they cost them mama, they no regret. Because they're stupid, they know they learn, they don't get sense. A old government, not a one person, no, a old government, 4 years. They don't do all kind of things for embarrass this man. They don't do all kind of things for fetch this man. 30 days, they not able to shake the man, small finger so they not able to shake her. Then now when I 1-1, when I make una, na turn una minister, in a boss for una. Now show now, now give una job. Then una sit down, una say una want fet. How una want able to fet day? They say fet to able fet. Fet to that able beat. I want go fet to that able beat you. Not to beat back you they go take. I say now waiting camera record. Now video they show. I say waiting camera record. Now video they show. Salon people them. The reason why I bring Canon topic here so today, now because I want to let people understand exactly what they happen. In 2023, when they cancel, I like the Mother Bio and be the commissioner. And me not say na the commissioner because na dictator. That other than next so you ne contract. Mother Bio they announcing themselves say don't lost this election. I like una fly go up, una can down. Mother Bio no say it they lost the election. It sabi in wealth, it no say it they lost the election. It know. And I want to make everybody understand this. Now look what they go on in the country. No democracy, no justice, no freedom. Now even the Christmas them, then they beat them for them voice. Christmas will not get sense. When me na ya, because I believe in democracy, then they pay blacker for cost me mama. On official not get people that will go run after blacker and beat her like how una do am. Astaghfirullah, God no go give me that heart for that do am. Or una fit say I no get bobo, they go make I send bobo then go beat her like una ba get bobo then so. How una fit say una get followers then so. Now so me the king, I get my own followers them too. Una fit say I no able do it, una do am so, but I no go do am because Papa God say for anybody where case they say sorry for am. But today una no dey sorry for am. Una dey beat am mercilessly. They say na wetin camera record. That video they show. For tell una say the whole of SLPP be Soja Ras, Soja Soja Mami, they are all their cowards now. They're afraid. Before, when Alaki dog Rati, Arata, then they make them video them, then they show them face. Now they don't begin to hide. Now their footsteps now they show. I say, now what the camera record? That video they show. But now mind you, I get past 2,000 evidences where we get. And what did they do? Black as so. I get for Mona the SLPP. I they challenge them. And they get for Mona they always do so. A bravo Rati they will do so. And they Mona them. Because we don't send with evidence they also for send them. We don't put with evidence they also for put them. We don't compare the voices and videos them. Where this man, this bobo in face paper, when he they talk, the same voice, we don't compare her with me, I don't check her, I don't put her, I don't send her. So we don't get that. Una just continue they misbehave. Una just continue they misbehave. Today we all see how the country they go. No justice, nothing at the country. Today we are the beat Christmas day. Christmas we are the beat am for him right. When the case man, what to make it a vex and they cost mammy cause now because call rest another get away and they go to a dirty box for it. When last una see rest, rotty one, case man they eat on a street. When last una see him. When last una see him. Because me first I it don't pass 3 years. I no ever called person as I say I dey pa warm rest eat, I dey pa eat cold rest. Pass say I dey pa cook. Cold rest make me not dey against salon. Because now when you bell full, now you go left cold rest for it the next day. But cold rest not then again at the country. Because we all know say when they rest in cold, some man they to am. Now then Christmas them back they survive. Now we don't stop the Christmas them from the cold rest. Because cold rest not again at the country. We don't stop the dog them. Now when the dog in the shit and they eat them shit them back. So why when the dog shit will not they say again? Cold rest will not they say again. That one that they will sing Tolong Bono go Sidoya, Hungry Bokue. Not all because they've been belful. Now when they're angry, they so let them go sing back now. Let them go dance back now. Like how them be go dance, let them go dance back now. Una prove that they buy wrong or right. When last una when they oversee, when last una call una people in a tongue, then tell una say na Casilla leaf cold rest at the Pawamso or Petete leaf. You know, remember that Casilla leaf cold rest? What will be the eat today? In a day! Because first day they eat stay bell full, you left the rest for the morning. Morning 10 and start. Some of you now will be the eat before we go school. You understand? Allow me not go school. But some of my colleagues then at that time be the eat say before they go school. Now starting. But now when the cold rest, in no day. Cold rest not they sleep again. Now what make pepper at the highest selling thing right all the selling at the country. Because people in the Bible cook pepper, put up on plazas. So when you take 1 spoon of pepper bone, you drink quarter. So you bell full by force. Now they happen in the country. Because if you cook 10 cup, now 6 cup you cook. If you cook 20 cup, now 14 cup you cook. If you cook 6 cup, now 4 cup you cook. So now so the country in on day. But now look the beggars them. Now civilized beggar man they don't boku now in the country. When this complaint, I don't get them past 10,000 times. Somebody go just dress fine. Decent man, decent woman. And they team up at them bank and then big offices there. Somebody go just come with Kabuta. I lost my wallet too. I want to go to society, please help me. By the way, how the person dress, you go must put 5,000-10,000 you get. This complaint don't they meet me because some people and they even go beg the same people and back the next day. They say Salo Wallington Chinese who don't fever. Pastor man, they say, boy, let me give you money yesterday, today back, you can't beg me the same problem. This thing ain't happy now. Well, the worst one beg now, we don't boku now in the country now. Then we'll just send no more something paper to you. Hey, me pikin don't get visa, now for help more. Hey, me pikin don't go interview for work, but they need so document. Now this money they need. These are the beg them we don't boku now in that country day. That year not be the happen for God's sake. That year not be the happen for God's sake. This beg. Gentle people we no expect. People we no expect and then they beg now. Ever. I saw the country don't they. But it's where they puzzle me now, me people. Then guys, mother be your thief with money. Tell now we know all that. Fatima thief with money. Tell now we know all that. But if somebody thief them back, why them for go jail them? Why them for arrest them? Then thief them for go survive. Then thief we for let them survive, build mansion, build factories them. We know all them too. Then there's the thief them small money, they don't go arrest the people and then go them. Sierra Leone, what did that don't tell we? This don't tell we say we for impeach. This don't tell we say we for all this man bonically. Because anything happens in the country. They kill people in a Panama Road. Makeni, Toko Limba, 91, Tombo, Panama Road. They kill people them. They don't arrest them. They don't hold them. And like if Fatima be a nasty boy that way kill, he die. They go arrest people them for that. For say that one great soul better pass the thousands of souls where they don't kill. Sierra Leone, now we ask yourself, say, where to they pass? Where to they pass, Sierra Leone? Where to they pass? Today, when I look, what Lima don't do, and we need justice. Kista, Mohamed Kalon, today look what they don't do, you company player. A minister go hit on her. Mohamed Kalon, you know one for the celebrity that will tell the people of Sierra Leone. Tell the Bobo them picking them say, let them not demonstrate for them right. You come out and tell Salon people them say, let them not demonstrate for them right. You said the one way they tell them for demonstrate, them picking and they oversee. The one way they tell them for demonstrate, then sit down oversee. Mohammed, today now you comping player, then hit on them. What have you done towards it? Today the president promised money. You know one man will tell the people of Sierra Leone say, you know what Madabio capable of doing. You know what he be do 1996. When I make Madabio, I can take praise the life of people them saying that him being qualified the team. We're not to him. Today they don't promise players them now. 30 days they don't give them player this money. Today, the land and a paper no more than give. No land no give the player than an ordinary paper. They get the talent you na back. The people left. Una look what they happen at the country. Teto today, they not give them the money. Una the old player than a Sierra Leone. What you don't do? Nyelenke, what you don't do? Panyelenke, you not call you for tell you what you for do. You mama, you not ever call you for tell you what you they do. You know the Minister of Sports. Look what the NEPA do now. We need proper justice. Call Madabio because you get a number. Call them and talk to them and tell her, say, Lima, we for take action against Lima. Udana Lima. If Madabio serious, now the Minister of Fisheries, then go arrest them for this Chinese Koyama where they kill. This king investor who then kill, then go arrest her. Well, also again, Lima, if Madabio is serious, is not lawless. If Madabio is serious, is not lawless, this is the time for making pull Lima from his job. You know why? Lima, the incident will happen at Tonko Limba. Lima. Now orchestrate all that thing they wouldn't kill that one at Tonko Limba. yellow card. Now again. Right? The Pandemba Road saga. Cam, Lima, now implant everything. They kill hundreds of people na Pandemba Road. Yellow card. Any referee will give one game player 2 yellow card. It's not serious. When you get 1, making 2 na red card. Lima don't pass red card. Not to 1 or 2 things it don't do. Lima shoot somebody, license and security. Okay, let me say if that is security, then shoots that ball. Let justice prevail. Where the security? And then a jail? No. Where the security? Then put on a cell. Then can't go to CID? No. Then own Lima? No. Today again, Lima don't commit another crime. Lima go punch John Kamara. If he mother be on been serious, you not force una for long. Mother be I not force for let's sack Lima. But some they force you. No. Now because I know say waiting me they talk, una they listen. And when I say something, they work towards that. Because now yeah, I tell the people of Sierra Leone say, if una they accuse the former president, say he get ammunition. Every day they talk this word now. Una comot, una say where see Adeba don't talk and so na true. Una go put checkpoints and the former president in house. That don't tell me say una they listen to it they talk. When the ammunition the way they did, now you mother bio, now you give the soldier the way they did for let them protect the former president. Now you give them gun in there. Then today, una want to go make a lucky. Today, una look where they can go na South Africa. South Africa they can destroy. And mind you, every day and then they pray to God the biggest prayer. Now for let one day no more you sleep, you pass command till they go and school, man. And then they better ones from you. And mother be if you not do it, mother be if you not do it by I really want for make una do them here. I say now waiting camera record. Now video they show. I say waiting camera record. Now video they show. Somebody go say, who's can slang to about couch again? Not to slang. Again, meaning. People will understand, they know what they say. Now, waiting camera record. Now, in video they show. And the way how the country done it right now, everybody for like become journalist, you know what again? All man are journalists, just get better phone, you don't turn journalist at the country. Just get better phone, we don't get journalists at the country. Everybody now a journalist. Una watch the way and manners. How then Gaia they rule the country. Una watch the way and manners. The lawlessness we don't bokuna the country. Una watch the way and manners. If you honor the people the parliamentarian law they represent una, they don't begin put them Pandemba Road. Una begin ask una same questions. But you are only perfect for we. Then they also what to for do. Holy tick, holy stone, buy your acid, keep them. Because the way how the fat they go so, will reach there. When you check all the people that when they commit crime in that country, they not reach 500. All the people that they commit crime in that country, they not reach 500. If you not lie, when I begin check for mother bill, take and down. All the minister there. Ona put them all together, they not reach 500 people. But 7.3 million people. I want for make salon people to pay attention and let them focus. The parliamentarians they not need for talk for una. Because una know the road, una know the. If you mean I be member of parliament as Sierra Leone, I swear to God to this Watawa also. Abbas Bundu they go burn, they don't bear them. If you me been there na that parliament as parliamentarian, Abbas Bundu they don't bear. I swear to God, if you me been there na that parliament, like Abbas Bundu, they don't bear. But when I can tell people in that country say, Kande Yunkela na one party useless politician in that country, but people don't understand. Everything to the way Ben Kelfala they do, they copy from what Kande Yunkela they do. Somebody go say what they about they can't talk. For any time Kande Yunkela want for condemn the SLPP, and they make sure say na APC force they condemn, and they make sure say this be done the happen, this be done the this be done the that. When I can make a the cost, but people don't understand. Una watch Ben Kelfala a method they always they use. As they say, Fatima Biodon thief. It's a lot cross check Shianyama Koroma. As I say, that's all this thing don't happen. No, this thing be don't happen. They go cross check a day. For God's sake. This is the two they pissed me past any other thing. The people learn. And as Koroma na mother be work for bar. The APC, na Salon people and they work for, or na they work for. But by rights, na me get me house. If it's somebody thief, na me for Twitter. I want go control other person house. Me lost the way then I'm host that I want go pass yonder. If you say they fight corruption, fight the one the pan work for you. Why you want go fight the one the way no work for you? This thing correct? Me people learn. But the one thing me know about Madabio, it is copy, you know the study. It is spied, you know the spied good. Let me tell you now. Madabio, all the spied the way don't spy. The free education method, now spy them from APC. And look at and say, APC they subsidize 70% na college. These are next to free. Bakababi say Beke was na free. And Escoma came the same thing na free. The all of the year na 90,000 they pay, 30,000 for term. Madam you begin look at this. 90,000 na small money, I will pay am. Now that thing and they na sweet and big full up, it's a lot put free education. But you not be know how and how and how. If you say you want to count free education, why you for go pull the subsidies and foster college? Why you for go pull? What he do now? Him feel say when he pull less subsidies and they able for pay the school fees for the picking them. Because you look at say 90,000, not all for one person. Check how many millions picking and they go school. These are the biggest chapel and chap matter on how many people live. That the same chap. Leosta. I swear to God, Madabio, you wake up and sleep. I swear to God, and not be the ever official Leosta they qualify. If for me, no say no more Leosta spoil. Leosta not the win game. He no. Now that they make it a war. Say they give the 100 million. If you say the 100 million at 10 man. At the same thing happen as soon away for give this money, that's the problem they did. Because if this man out all heartedly, this man don't thief past this money. This man, the money we don't thief. But $400,000 in able puller. You don't get mind for puller for me. What you don't thief, did the player there. Salon people, Fatima Bio confirmed that so we were going to Gambia. He said, in your money, you don't go ever take up or go give Kenema lights. In your money, you don't go ever take up or go give more lights. Now make Madabio tell we say for anything whether they do, then they plan now. But you have don't confirm them. So Madabio no go get man take $400,000. We don't thief, but the money we don't thief for give them player. Madabio been just talk the word. If you fixing a 10 player then a 1, 2. And not be ever official your star go qualify. Now God na come up here now for disgrace am. Because if the mother be their blessing, it's a good time for making self valuable to the people of Sierra Leone. If you be making good use of this opportunity, we cancel for them. From where it kind of power, I don't call people in a stadium 40. People are no good. But people are unanimously come out, go celebrate with a stadium. When at the deadline, they will forget the chance for bleed to people, talk to people. But we're gonna go lie back. You said the envelope they already now for the player them. Today the 13, the 15, now 1 month. 30 days, now story. 30 now, now explain. They don't say let the player they send their account. They don't send their account past 5 days. 30 days nothing happen. Nobody in account no shake. So this they tell you now, say that people are they spy, but they never do the things that when they spy because they never see fine. Come out there by the free education. The implementation of ruling in the country. Now Buhari in pattern it take because Buhari campaign say corruption. It's the same method Madam Bioka with. When they overthrow Momo, now this corruption talk and then kill the people. They make people hate APC. In 2017, these are the campaign in 2018. Corruption. People see the APC bad. They use that same tool, stay, then succeed. And at the same tool Buhari used in Nigeria, it succeed. So when it succeed, this one accounting, now APC be one for implementer. They don't set all the strategies them, but then say after the election, then they try for implementer. When they ready now, then campaign with her. One account, when they come, and then for the pockets. Then not be know how the APC be one for do am. Come out the. When Buhari can say the fight corruption, una ask if Buhari run after any former minister. What he do? He call Good Luck Jonathan. She can near me, walk with me. Name brother, name paddy. And not run after Good Luck. And not run after no minister. Now fake the people and say when he can go run after who that don't thief, who that don't this. But we cannot do it. He concentrate on the works them. And about he fail. Come out the method of pauper now from Yaya Jammeh. But Yaya Jammeh better pass you because Yaya Jammeh they work. Yaya Jammeh is the work. Yaya Jammeh he work for Gambians them. Yaya Jammeh he sweat for Gambians them. He fight for them. He work for them. But you not do nothing. He dey suppress opposition. That was the pattern of Yaya Jammeh. You don't work, you dey suppress opposition. You don't do nothing, you dey suppress opposition. Then today, when I look what today for happen. I just want to tell the Salone people, let them understand. See. Then they copy. Now, what's happening in South Africa? So they want to bring the same nonsense as Sierra Leone, but they forget saying a big mistake then they make. But me advise you I want to give to every northern man within a Southeast 2023 election, not in a Southeast. Not even register except na Southeast. When time for register, Kamusa you born or Freetown can register there. When the election time reach, just move from next side and they come. You are the Southeast. Now if you did at the north, now for left the north and commodity. Freetown if you did the left the. Because you don't know why. Now the election this way with the people they protect the votes to the highest degree. Begin commissioner on a list if I say you don't vote go na your for the green for that one day. How na been doing no more 2017. Una vote na no go na host there. Now so 2023. Man marking eat a dog. Waiting camera record. Na video they show. I swear to God. 2023, as you don't vote, everybody they near inbox. We they protect, we vote them. And now they tell we say we don't vote, go na house. You case? You know they tell we that one day. Say we don't vote, go na house. We know they take can today, we know they take can tomorrow, we know they take can next week, we know they take can next year. I say, una look what happen. What made this get blessed. These idiots, as they announce as presidents, now hotel Lusa and the Kagorare Galen, I didn't go take oath. It swear, say, and they protect every life of this country. Today we all see, right? The dog themselves enable to protect them. Christmas them enable to protect them. Now you see them kill people away well. Lima kill somebody wey take out for a hotel. Usai girl and they go. He never protect them. And he swear and alaki. If he say that swear, they go in vain. No, God they all are responsible. God, they all are responsible. When I look the other Abbas Budu, only in what blues. Look what they put up. Pantap mother be the president in face. Now they fall like a girl. Pantap mother be the bed where they fall like the girl. And then bread mother be in face. And Pantap did that. No wonder we make mother be in face with all like spam. Spam self fine person. No wonder. So I want to tell Sierra Leone and them say, the time for that politician in the lie per we for pull them out of the midst of Sierra Leone politics. Now is the reality. We don't need lie. We don't need lie. Tomorrow, I get for address one topic they were they hear some small and fast and they go with and they talk with. What address that is labor now tomorrow? Where people in the talk saying a vice president and president and vote for. No, tomorrow I need for enlightening some people. They no one day I'm not seen at the wall. Then vote say we get vice president election. No! One day I not see when they make that card for go vote, they put the two people there. You know one day be. They say presidential election. So tomorrow I want to sensitize people. I not agree for that all they say that they two them vote for. No. But me the count in my own way, let the people understand that country. So I want let people pay attention. Sierra Leoneans, now what the camera record? Now video they show. This is my message. In a stay blessed and God bless Sierra Leone. Anyway, na way, overtaking is allowed. Akulunkulun kafita. Yebe na yebe. Usa de na da de. Emine Bukita economy. Sikmido kemetas. That's why we are going up. Now waiting camera record. Now in video they show.